Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 21st, 2018, and I wanted to show you some of my gomphrena seedlings here. They bloom for us. And now these flowers will get a little bit bigger than this, but not too much bigger. And I just wanted to show you here what they look like. And these are still being fed once a week with the Miracle-Gro for seedlings. If you look back on some of my other videos, I tell you how to mix it. But I just wanted to show you here what they look like. This is the hold on a minute here, QIS mix. And I've grown this before. I really like it. And I just wanted to show you what they look like here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.